This problem is black to live, and the key here is to increase eye space. So if black just tries to capture this white stone, this is a false eye, and then white can just reduce black's eye space and then kill black this way. So there are actually two solutions. One is to play this to increase the eye space. And now white doesn't have anything left to play. If white plays here, then black can form a corner band 4 that is actually alive. So this will be a shape that's alive. If white tries this, then black can play here. And this will be another real eye in addition to this real eye on the corner. So if white plays here, then black will be able to make another real eye. If white plays here, then black needs to be careful. Black needs to connect here so that this will eventually be another real eye because black is capturing 3 of these stones. And the second solution is to play number 3 as the first move because these 3 stones always guarantee 1 real eye in the corner, right? So because white cannot come in this way. And once again, we have a real eye here as well. White cannot destroy this real eye, or it will be like this. So the main takeaway for this problem is that you can either use the increase the eye space method, or you can use the build 2 eyes method. Both will work for this problem. Thank you for watching.